next song is a little more sensitive. You know, life is hard. Sometimes it's really hard. So I wrote this song about it. It's called Pain. Here Comes the Rain. Shattered in two, as I'm left here looking for you, and it's not your fault. Oh, I know you tried to escape it, and I hoped you'd win, but I've never outran the rain, and here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. When you feel left out in a corner not too far from hell, you know the place you've been in for too long. Follow my voice, I will show you the way. Here comes the rain. Oh, here comes the rain. Here comes the pain. Thank you so much.